Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to go over the DR, IDR using ICT concepts, the weekly review on the 5-minute chart for ES, and it's from December 11th through December 15th. Now, knowing at the end of the year you're going to have not the greatest setups all the time, so I expect the next few weeks to be not the greatest time to trade, but I'm still going to do these weekly reviews and show you what you could or couldn't have done had you traded. So let's add the markings to the chart here. All right, so this is Monday. Now we have DR confirmation to go long at 10:45. Okay. Now DR confirmation, that's why you get this little green arrow and you'll get a red arrow down here. Basically, a candle has to close above the outer DR line. Okay. That's what a DR confirmation means. Then I look left and I see a fair value gap, and we take the trade after 11 o'clock. But here's why I took the trade down here. Well, I only have a max 5 handle stop, and it has to be below the first candle of the 3-candle pattern for the fair value gap. So that's right here. And what does it do? I mean, the very same candle or the next candle takes us out. Even though it works out great here, per my rules, that's when I would have taken a trade. Now you could have, if you take 2 trades. I don't on this. I don't take 2 trades, but if you did, this would have been an order block. Okay, and you could have taken this trade here, right here. 5 stop would have been below here. 15 would have been right there. Okay. Had you taken the second entry like I can in my rules, it would have had 15 handles, so it would have been net 10 for the day. But I didn't take this trade, but I want to at least show you what you could have done. So I was -5 for Monday. Okay. This week I did actually add a rule, and I'll show you that here on Wednesday. But let's go to Tuesday first. Tuesday, we have DR confirmation again to go long at 10:55. I can't trade till 11 to 1:30. This gray background. Price comes in here again. 5 handle stop. Actually 5 1/4. Let's go 5 here. 5 handle stop must be below the first candle of the 3-candle pattern for fair value gap. So we're right here. We enter and we get 15 handles. Could have left a runner till, right here, but either way, 15 handles on Tuesday, so we're net 10 for the week. Now, here's where I added, watch this shrink. This is where I added a rule to my rules, because I didn't trade this because I didn't like this. Why? Because this whole range right here is, what, 7 1/4 points. I need at least a 10, 15 point range. So the range was too tight, and so breaking through or breaking below, it was going to be a false day. Knowing it was going to be a false day, FOMC was in here in the afternoon. It was ranging the entire time. I did not look for a trade until after lunch. I mean, there's no way. The range was small, so I didn't trade on Wednesday. So we're still +10 for the week. Thursday, okay, we get for DR confirmation to go short at 11:10. But you look left, you don't really have anything. You have a volume imbalance here. You have a wrong side fair value gap there, but nothing else other than this fair value gap, which is right next to this order block, right? Why did I include the wick? Because the wick's bigger than the body. Okay, technically, I think ICT will use this if that for its order block. Okay, I'm using the whole thing. And so where did my stop go? Should be above the high, but here I took because I know the body was going to be respected. I wanted to be into the upper half, and it was risky. Look at this. I mean, this whole time you're panicking. You're worried. Should have gone up to consummate encroachment and did it, or you could have just done, hey, wherever I have to be one tick above. Okay, so let's just move it there. Either way, you take it off the order block. Why? Because of my rules, the fair value gap touching an order block, you have to go off the order block. Your stop is supposed to go 1 tick above the high in this instance, so you would have taken a higher entry. And you would have aimed for 15. Now, if you left a runner, like I said, runner on these sometimes just skyrocket. You could have had, almost 40 points. Let's see. Nope, you would have had 39 points. Yeah, 39. So plus 25 for the week now total. And then Friday, we have DR confirmation to go long at 1050. We have a fair value gap here. Don't really have a whole lot else going on over here. So we enter when it comes in, 5-handle stop, and we get taken out. Now we would have been taken out regardless here, so it's negative 5 handles for the day, which means we are net 20 for the week. So that is your DR IDR using ICT concepts, the weekly review on the 5-minute chart on ES, the new contract, March contract 2024, for December 11th through December 15th.